that right there looks like a, I don't know, 12 or 14. You got to take out that cap. Once you take out that cap, when you take it out, I think this whole thing will separate. Then you can get your hand in here and lift this up and pull this out, and then this solder is now somewhat free to move and not connected to anything else. Let's see how many. Let's see here. All right, that is a 12 millimeter.